again, Mike from Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here with Starcraft's LX20R. It's a 2025 model. We have 25-inch tubes. The boat's 8 wide. It's 20 foot long. Really great, comfortable, affordable, fun boat. Come on aboard with me, take a look. We have big comfy seats here on the front side for everyone to cruise along. We also have recessed cup holders. This keeps your drink from tipping over and keeps your drink cold all day long. One of the best features on this LX20R, really long seat here, really comfortable. So if anyone wants to lay out, stretch out, spread out, great option. Everybody can also fit, 3 people here towards the back of the boat. Opposite seating here, most important seat here, captain seat. We want to make sure the driver's real comfortable and has all the accessories he needs in hand to enjoy his boat ride. We feature tilt steering, Wet Sounds Bluetooth stereo, and a Humminbird Helix 5 fish finder, as well as this being equipped with a Yamaha outboard motor, which are super reliable and a lot of fun to get yourself across the lake with. With anything we sell here at the Charles Mill Marina, we do feature a full mooring cover, in-state delivery, on-water demo, and a full safety package, as well as a full tank of gas included with your purchase. If you think this might be the boat for you, give us a call at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.